Kelamayi Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set Review. The Kelamayi Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set is a game changer for keeping your space spotless. Featuring innovative self-cleaning dustpan teeth, it effortlessly removes dirt and hair from the broom without the mess. Its ergonomic design and sturdy handle make sweeping a breeze, whether indoors or outdoors. The large capacity dustpan ensures less frequent emptying, while the compact design makes storage easy. Crafted with durable materials, this set is built to last, saving you money in the long run. Say goodbye to bending over and hello to a cleaner home with less effort. It's the perfect addition to any cleaning